Hello, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to use Excel SUMIF and COUNTIF. Excel SUMIF and COUNTIF are powerful functions that allow you to add or count data that meet certain criteria. Here's how to use them. So, what I'm going to do is open up Excel, and here I've already prepared this data for the tutorial. So as you can see, there is the intake fluids, or there's a different criteria like milk, juice, and water, and the total ml that is consumed. But if you have a data like this, somehow you can use SUMIF and COUNTIF. So just to make this tutorial, I made this for example. So as you can see here, there is the count here for the milk and the total ml used. So I've used the COUNTIF and the SUMIF. So to use the COUNTIF and the SUMIF, I'm gonna show you how. So for example, in water, we'll just copy this formula. So we'll just put equals, and then to count, let's put COUNTIF, and COUNTIF counts the number of cells within a range that meet the given condition. So we'll highlight the range, and then comma, we'll put the criteria, which is water. Now, the water is already counted. It's just the same with juice. We'll just change the criteria. And for the total ml, we will just copy this formula. We will just put equals and then SUMIF. SUMIF add the cells specified by a given conditions or criteria. So we'll just put the range, and then comma, and then the water, and then the sum range. Same with this side. We will just copy the formula. So that is how you can use the SUMIF and the COUNTIF. So in the count, it will be counted, and then in the SUMIF, it will also count and also the sum of a specific value. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe and like to this channel. Thanks!